Starbucks, Chipotle, Dunkin. They all use loyalty differently and they all print money doing it. The good news, you can run their exact playbook in your restaurant. In the next 8 minutes, I'll break down the 5 loyalty program types that actually work, which one fits your model, and which one gets a first-time guest back for visit number 2. Program 1, visit-based stamp card. First up is the visit-based stamp card. This one works best for high-frequency, lower-ticket restaurants. So think coffee shops, fast casual, takeout pizza, Thai lunch spots, places where people can come back again pretty quickly without thinking too hard about the spend. The setup is simple. A customer gets 1 stamp per visit, and after a set number of visits, they unlock a complimentary item. What makes this work is not the reward by itself, it's the progress. Once someone started, they'll want to finish. That pull is real, and brands like Dunkin and Domino's lean on it hard because it nudges the second and third visit without needing a big discount. For most restaurants, 7 to 10 visits is that sweet spot. Less than that can get expensive fast, and more than that starts to feel too far away. Pick a reward that feels good to the guest but doesn't crush your margins. So a drink, dessert, fries, a side, something like that. If you're in a location like here in New York City where you have a ton of competition on every block, you may want to consider a more attractive reward like a popular entree. And please, 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 please don't leave this on paper. Don't be that business owner that hands out paper loyalty punch cards and use an AOL email address. Digital loyalty is the move because it's convenient for your customers and gives you a direct line to communicate with them over and over and over. The number to watch is simple. How many members come back within 30 days of their first stamp? That tells you if the program is doing the one job that matters first, getting visit number 2. That's the hook. Program number 2, points redeemed from a predefined menu. Now, if your problem isn't just frequency and you also want people spending more each time, points with a fixed rewards menu usually fits better. This is the playbook for brands like Dunkin and Chipotle. This is strong for dine-in restaurants sitting around a $30 to $50 average ticket, like Mexican restaurants, Indian restaurants, and pizzerias where guests already have room to add one more item. The structure is dollar spend turns into points, and points unlock items from a set menu. That last part matters a lot. You don't want open-ended discounts where customers burn value on your most expensive dishes. You want control. Reward with garlic bread, dessert, or a drink, not the ribeye. That's how you protect margin while still giving guests something they actually want. Chipotle's loyalty members spend more than non-members, and part of that comes from how their rewards are designed, not just the fact that points exist. Set a clear points per dollar ratio, then build a rewards menu with 3 to 5 high margin items. Keep it visible all the time. If guests can't see their balance or what they're working toward, that program falls flat. This is the kind of campaign Lealtad app was built for. You can set the points ratio and rewards menu pretty fast, which matters when you need something running now, not next month. One small wording tweak helps too. Call the reward complimentary instead of free. It just lands better. The metric here is average ticket size for members versus non-members at 30 and 60 days. Reward the side, not the steak. That's how you protect margin and still get the visit. Program number 3, points with tiers and VIP levels. The next one is points with tiers, and this is for restaurants that already have a base of regulars who like being recognized. This is the Starbucks Gold play. Neighborhood places do really well with this. Places like Indian or Thai restaurants with a strong lunch crowd can do especially well because people already feel connected to that place. The system starts with normal points, but then those points unlock status levels: bronze, silver, gold. Pick names that fit your brand. Once someone moves up, they get better rewards and a few perks that feel a little more special. And that matters because status changes the relationship. It's not only about earning something back, it becomes part of how the guest sees themselves with your restaurant. Starbucks is the obvious example here. Their members visit way more often, and status is a big part of that loop. Just recently, they updated their rewards program to create a reserve tier level, which earns more rewards and gets access to additional perks. Keep it to 2 or 3 tiers. Make the first one easy to reach so people feel momentum early. Then save one real perk for that top group, like priority seating, first access to a new menu item, or a VIP only reward that regular guests can't get otherwise. Don't make the climb too long. If a normal regular can't realistically hit tier 2 inside of 90 days, most people won't bother chasing it. What you need to track is the percent of members who hit tier 2 within 60 days. If that number's low, the thresholds are probably too high or the perks aren't strong enough. Status changes the relationship. Quick checkpoint. If any of these 3 sound like your restaurant, I created a guide for you. 5 loyalty strategies to generate cash flow fast. It walks you through 5 different loyalty campaign types that you can set up in less than 10 minutes. All right, let's get back to it. Program number 4, birthday rewards. Happy birthday! Everyone loves their birthday, and everyone loves being acknowledged on their birthday even more. Birthday rewards are different because you're not trying to invent the occasion. The occasion already exists. Every big brand runs this. Outback, PF Chang's, Red Robin, you name a big brand, they have a birthday rewards program. That's why almost any restaurant can use this, especially dine-in restaurants where birthdays already bring groups, photos, dessert orders, and a reason to choose one place over another. The offer can be a complimentary item or bonus points sent automatically by some kind of messaging at the start of the birthday month. It works because it feels personal without being complicated. People expect brands they like to notice moments like that, and when they do, it leaves such a good feeling. That matters more than a lot of owners think. Keep sign-up friction low, then automate a short message sequence that goes out a week or 2 before their birthday. A good birthday message is 4 quick lines: the trigger, the offer, the deadline, and the action. Something like, hey Sarah, we want to celebrate your birthday with you and your loved ones. Enjoy a complimentary dessert when you visit this month. Use it by the end of the month. We look forward to seeing you on your big day. Make the reward smart. Dessert or an appetizer works. You're using the birthday offer to trigger the visit, and the visit brings the full ticket order. Watch redemption rate first, then track whether those birthday guests come back again within 30 days. Program number 5, referral rewards. The 5th program is referral rewards. This is how chains get customers back over and over without paying the new customer tax. Paid ads can bring clicks, sure, but clicks don't guarantee a second visit, and a lot of restaurants learn that the hard way. A referral program turns your current members into a small sales force. One guest invites a friend, the friend makes a first purchase, and then both of them get rewarded. The order matters. The referring customer only gets the reward after the friend actually buys. That one rule cuts down a lot of abuse. And this works because loyal customers already talk. KPMG found 86% of loyal customers recommend brands they love. A referral program just gives that behavior structure and a reason to happen faster. Use a split reward. Give the friend a first visit offer, then give the member bonus points or a complimentary item once the purchase clears. Send it to your member list through text, push, some kind of messaging, and track referral codes, not vague answers at the register. If your average ticket is around $40 and your margin's healthy, the first order often covers the reward cost. Let's say your average ticket is $40, reward costs you $8. The friend's first order covers it 5 times over. Plus, you get the second visit you actually wanted. The number that matters most is not just first purchase volume, it's second visit rate for referred customers compared with customers who came in cold. Your members are the sales force. Pay them after the friend buys. That's the rhythm. Grab your guide, 5 loyalty strategies to generate cash flow fast. Link is in the description. Pick the program that matches the result you want. But for most restaurants, the first win is simple. Get that second visit fast. Pick one and launch it this weekend. Then watch what it exposes. A loyalty program can bring people back once, but if service is slow, the food's inconsistent, the staff misses the moment, or pickup feels messy, you didn't fix retention. You just made the problem easier to see. I've broken down the leaks that kill repeat traffic after the first return visit so you can stop paying to bring people back and then losing them for good. And you can watch it all in this video right over here.